Hi everyone, this is Heidi Sarandi, and today I'm showing you that I do have pet chickens in my backyard. They are in dog cages. I have a lot of them. At nighttime, more chickens stay right here so they can sleep, and the rest of them are in here. I live in Los Angeles, California, by Silver Lake area. See? Hey over there. Somebody laid an egg. Yay! Thank you, chickies. And I use old milk jugs for water and food. I do collect their compost, their droppings, collect them in a bucket, and add coffee grounds from Starbucks. And to save money on their food, I give them food scraps. And I would like to shout out to and thank NatureWell and Creation Organics for kindly giving me their scraps. I feed it to them, and whatever left over, I put it there. I do collect their compost, their poop, and when it's full, I put them in the bin and bag them up to plant them in a clay soil. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.